Hello, my dear students, myself Vinay Nityanand, ICS Mahesh P. College, Dharwad. From the last modules, we have been discussed about the chemical properties of alcohols. In this module, we are going to discuss some of the chemical properties of phenols. In that, the first one is acidic nature of phenols. How the acidic nature of phenols has been created. For that, let us check with some of the reactions. When phenol reacting with sodium metal, then forming sodium phenoxide by the liberation of hydrogen gas. And in another example, phenol reacting with sodium hydroxide. Phenol is an acidic, sodium hydroxide is a base. Acid and base reacted means, with any base molecule, if any molecule has reacted and forming a salt, then what would that? This compound should have a acidic property. Therefore, the acidic nature is created how? This is because of the hydroxyl group, OH group on phenol. Earlier only I told any chemical, any properties, not only chemical, physical and chemical properties of alcohols and phenols, that is because of a hydroxyl group. Here also the same case, that OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of a benzene ring. As a result, what will happen? The charge distribution in a phenol molecule is taken place. That leads to resonating structure. There are 5 resonating structures are possible. That causes a positive charge over the oxygen of OH bond. That enhances the polarity. How? Watch you. This is a phenol. This phenol having 2 lone pair of electrons. I told, and we knew that oxygen is more electronegative, but compared to this phenyl ring, oxygen is less electronegative. This phenyl ring itself is more electronegative than the oxygen atom. This phenyl ring withdraws the electron of the oxygen. That is lone pair of electron of the oxygen towards this carbon. This lone pair containing 2 electrons, it would shifted here means this bond converted into double bond. If it is so, this one bond shifted 1 bond, 2 bond, 3rd bond, 4th bond and 5th bond. This carbon would going to attain 5 bonds. It is impossible. As a result, as and when this lone pair is shifted and converting this single bond into double bond, this one bond is there, pi bond, opens up and opens out and converted into single bond. This would converted into negative charge over this carbon atom. Watch here, this carbon atom carried the negative charge. But by donating 1 electron to this carbon atom, oxygen carrying the negative charge. By that, watch here, this would be the double bond here. Next, this bond is shifted here, enter in. As a result, this bond coming out and there is a negative charge. There is a negative charge is carrying over this carbon atom. In the next process, this bond is entering in, this bond is opens out. As a result, what would be the resonating structure? The shifted bond here converted into pi bond here. The came out bond here converted into negative charge over this carbon atom. This everything is remains similar. Then what is happening in the next resonating structure? This negative charge entering in, what was the lone pair of electron came here, this is going back. By that, on oxygen atom there would be the 2 lone pair of electrons. The shifted bond here becomes the double bond here. In this way, the 5 resonating structures have been created about the phenol. What's first structure and the second structure? This is also a phenol, this is also a phenol. But compared to first one to the 5th one structure, an alternative double bond have been changed. By that, what is happening here? Observe here. Because of this resonating structure, On the oxygen atom there is a positive charge, positive charge, positive charge, and C double bond O, C double bond O, C double bond O. Okay, because of this resonating structure, okay, the ionization takes place easily as, okay, O minus and H plus. Why it is happening? Because on oxygen atom positive charge, the positive charge will never tolerated by the oxygen atom. Therefore, O bond H is there. Okay, that bond so easily broken down into H plus. Any species donate the proton means actually what it is? It is an acidic in nature. In the case of a phenol, this H plus liberates so easily. Therefore, phenol is more acidic than alcohols. Okay. So what it is telling you in these sentences? Watch out these sentences. Next, observe effect of substituent groups on the acidity of a phenol. Let us consider some electron withdrawing group such as NO2 group is present over the phenol. Then what is happening? Okay, that effect is more pronounced. Therefore, such groups increases the acidity. If such groups, electron, okay, withdrawing groups are present at ortho and para position, still effect is further increases. What do you mean by that? Okay, watch your. I am taking, okay, 4 structures. Okay, para nitrophenol. Here NO2 group, withdrawing group present at para position. The acidic nature is more, therefore para nitrophenol is more acidic than ortho nitrophenol. Than the para and ortho, okay, meta nitrophenol is less acidic. Than the meta, phenol is least acidic. Then one more condition. Okay, if the groups methyl and ethyl are electron releasing groups, such groups are present on phenol, then acidic character is decreases. Why? Because watch you, I am taking the again 4 structures. Phenol is more acidic than metacresol because this electron releasing group is there, releases some electron. By that electron density on benzene ring is increases, by that decreases the resonance effect, by that acidity will be decreasing. Here also methyl group decreases the acidity, here also methyl group decreases the acidity. Therefore, than the phenol, meta, ortho and para cresols are less acidic, but ortho and para here are having almost similar pKa value, having almost similar acidic character. Thank you.